Fail to send text messages in Android. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It really helps our channel grow. So if your messages are not going through, there are 3 steps that you have to follow. Before we head to those steps, make sure that the front person has not blocked you, because then it is almost impossible to text them from your number. Now heading to the step 1, if it's not one of that issues, heading to the step 1 is you scroll down. The most basic thing is here there is an option of aeroplane mode. You turn that on and you turn that off, and that's how you restart your sim, and then you check if your message is going through. And if your message is still not going through, the second step is open settings. Once you open settings, here you'll find an option of apps. Click on that. Once you click on apps, you click on see all apps, and then you search here for messages. Here, once you click on messages, here you'll find an option of storage and cache. Click on that. Once you click on storage and cache, click on clear cache and clear your extra small storage, and then click on clear storage. That will clear the app's extra storage. Once that's done, and if your messages are still not working, follow this last step and your messages will automatically work. Hold your power button. Once you hold it, a screen will pop out. Here you'll find an option of restart. Click on restart, and once you click on that, your phone will automatically get rebooted, and then most probably your messages will be going through your phone. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.